isang matagumpay na pagpapalang muli sa inyo. Sa aking mga kamathninik, handa na ba kayo? Kunin na ang inyong mga gagamitin sa ating aralin. Muli, ako ang inyong Maestro Olaso. Sama-sama tayong matuto. Again, I would like to introduce to you my partner, Mateo. Hello, Mateo. Say hi to our viewers.
Hello, Maestro. Hi, kids. I'm Mateo, your math buddy. Just simply live and love mathematics.
Yes, you are right, Mateo. The only way to learn mathematics is to live and love mathematics. So, are you ready, Mateo? What about you kids? All right, let's do Math Tanong! What is the result when 34 and 5/10 times 10 subtracted from the product of 48 and 75 hundredths and 100? Mateo and kids, you have 10 seconds to answer. Time is up! Let's check your answers. Mateo, can you show your answer?
Here's my answer. 4,530.
You are correct, Mateo. Can you explain how did you arrive with your answer?
First thing to do is to translate the problem to mathematical sentence. It means that the quantity of 48 and 75 hundredths times 100 minus the quantity of 34 and 5/10 times 10 equals n. To find the result, get the product of 48 and 75 hundredths times 100 by just moving the decimal point 2 decimal places to the right based on the number of zeros in 100. So, 48 and 75 hundredths times 100 is equals to 4,875. Next, get also the product of 34 and 5/10 times 10 by moving the decimal point 1 decimal place to the right based on the number of 0 in 10. So, 34 and 5/10 times 10 equals 345. Then, subtract the products 4,875 and 345. So, the result is 4,530.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you, Mateo. You are really learning fast. And to all of you who got the same answer, you are amazing! This time, we are going to discuss about solving multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition, or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers including money. Brace yourself. Let's do Mathalakay! Mateo, can you tell them the 4 main steps in solving problem?
Yes, Maestro. Just follow the STAR or star. S. Study the word problem carefully. T. Think of a plan. A. Act on the plan. And R. Review and check your answer.
Exactly, Mateo. Let us apply now the 4 main steps in solving problems. Mateo, can you read the first problem?
John and Paul are best friends. One day, Paul borrowed money from John. John lent him 35 pesos, consisting of 5 peso and 25 centavo coins. John gave 26 coins to his best friend. How many pieces of each coin did John give to Paul?
Thank you, Mateo. This problem is an example of non-routine problem. By following the star, we can solve this problem.
The first step in solving problem is study the problem. What are the given facts or numbers? There are 26 coins combination of 5 pesos and 25 centavos. The total amount of the coins is 35 pesos. What is asked in the problem? The number of 5 peso coins and 25 centavo coins John gave to Paul. The second step in solving problem is think of a plan. In thinking of a plan, you need to think your own strategy to solve the problem. In this case, we can use the strategy guess and check. The third steps in solving word problem is act on the plan. Let's apply now the strategy guess and check. For guess 1, what if we have 21 pieces of 25 centavos and 5 pieces of 5 pesos? Let's check if we can have a total of 35 pesos by multiplying 21 times 25 centavos equals 5 pesos and 25 centavos. Also, 5 times 5 pesos equals 25 pesos. Then, add 5 pesos and 25 centavos and 25 pesos. We have only 30 pesos and 25 centavos. It means that combinations are not correct. Let's do guess 2. What if we try 20 pieces of 25 centavos and 6 pieces of 5 pesos? Let's check it again by multiplying 20 times 25 centavos equals 5 pesos. 6 times 5 pesos equals 30 pesos. Then, by adding the result, we have 35 pesos. It means that we have the correct combination. Therefore, John gave his best friend 6 pieces of 5 pesos and 20 pieces of 25 centavos. Finally, the last step in solving problem is review and check your answer. To check our answer, we can go back to our calculation. But since we already checked it, we can say that the combination of the number of pieces of coins are correct.
I hope that everything is well. Let's try another problem. Mateo and all of our kamathinik, join with me and say, Math try nga! Here is the problem. Aling Maria bought 3 cans of sardines at 14 pesos and 50 centavos each, 5 cans of milk at 23 pesos and 50 centavos each, 3 kilograms of sugar at 48 pesos and 50 centavos per kilo, and 2 cans of corned beef at 27 pesos and 80 centavos each. What would be her change if she gave a 1,000 peso bill? Mateo, can you show us how are you going to solve the problem?
Yes, maestro. As what you taught us that in solving problem, we need to follow STAR. S. Study the word problem. What are the given facts in the problem? 3 cans of sardines at 14 pesos and 50 cents each. 5 cans of milk at 23 pesos and 50 cents each. 3 kilograms of sugar at 48 pesos and 50 cents per kilo. 2 cans of corned beef at 27 pesos and 80 cents each. 1,000 pesos. What is asked? The amount of change will Aling Maria receive? The second step in solving the problem is T. Think of a plan. The problem is very common. The usual operations when solving a change are addition and subtraction. In our case, we will include multiplication to get the total amount per item. So, the mathematical sentence is 1,000 pesos minus the quantity of 3 times 14 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 5 times 23 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 3 times 48 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 2 times 27 pesos and 80 cents equals N. The third step in solving word problem is A. Act on the plan. 1,000 pesos minus the quantity of 3 times 14 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 5 times 23 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 48 pesos and 50 cents plus the quantity of 2 times 27 pesos and 80 cents equals N. By following the order of the operations, we start in the operation of multiplication. 3 times 14 pesos and 50 cents equals 43 pesos and 50 cents. 5 times 23 pesos and 50 cents equals 117 pesos and 50 cents. 3 times 48 pesos and 50 cents equals 145 pesos and 50 cents. 2 times 27 pesos and 80 cents equals 55 pesos and 60 cents. Next is to get the sum of all the items. 43 pesos and 50 cents plus 117 pesos and 50 cents plus 145 pesos and 50 cents plus 55 pesos and 60 cents equals 362 pesos and 10 cents. Then, to find the change, we will use the subtraction. 1,000 pesos minus 362 pesos and 10 cents. Remember, since some digits of the minuend are smaller than the subtrahend, regrouping is needed. Then, subtract. We have the answer, 637 pesos and 90 cents. Finally, the last step in solving problem is R. Review and check your answer. One way to check the answer is to add the change you receive and the total amount you bought. 637 pesos and 90 cents plus 362 pesos and 10 cents equals 1,000. It means that our answer is correct.
You got it, Mateo. You absolutely follow the steps in solving word problem. What about you, Kamathinic? If you got the same answer, I'll give you all an excellent clap! I hope that you really understand the steps in solving problems and keep in your mind and always matandaan! Again, Mateo, can you tell us what are the 4 main steps in solving problems?
Yes, maestro. Just follow the STAR or STAR. S. Study the word problem carefully. T. Think of a plan. A. Act on the plan. And R. Review and check your answer.
And now for our final activity. Brace yourself. It's mathematics time! Read and analyze the problem carefully. Then, choose the letter of the best answer in the following questions. In a school play, an adult ticket costs 25 pesos and 50 centavos, and a student ticket costs 15 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will 3 adult tickets and 4 student tickets cost?
Let's check now your answers. Number 1. The correct answer is letter C. The total amount of free adult tickets and 4 student tickets. Number 2. The correct answer is letter D. 4. Number 3. The correct answer is letter A. Addition and multiplication. Number 4. The correct answer is letter B. The group of 25 pesos and 50 cents times 3 plus the group of 15 pesos and 5 cents times 4 equals N. Number 5. The correct answer is letter A.
Alright, how many of you got a score of 4 or 5? Great! You outdid yourself today! To those who got 3 below, do not worry. You can now review your self-learning module and you can watch the replay on YouTube channel. Natapos na naman ang ating aralin. Naway kayo'y may natutuhan sa ating mga tinalakay. Muli, ako ang inyong Maestro Olaso na nagsasabing, ugaliing manood at makinig upang maging matinik sa mathematics.